Hello. Good good evening, sir.
Good
Good evening,
evening.
everyone.
Good evening, sir. Okay. Okay, you
So,
see.
sir,
Okay.
welcome to this FTP, sir.
Right. Okay.
So, it's my great privilege to welcome you all to this enlightening session. Today, we are honored to have with us a distinguished expert whose contributions to computer science and distributed system have been instrumental in advancing technology and research in this field. So we are privileged to introduce Dr. Ha Ho Kyung Nguyen, Director of the Software Development Center, SDC, at Danang University, Vietnam. With an impressive 25 years of experience, Dr. Nguyen has been a driving force in software development, distributed virtual systems, and resource allocation strategies. Dr. Nguyen's academic journey is marked by excellence and dedication. He earned his MS degree in computer science from Danang University in 2010 and further pursued advanced research at DATIC University of Science and Technology, the University of Danang from 2011 to 2016. His doctoral research focuses on deadlock prevention solutions in research allocations for distributed virtual systems, a critical area in ensuring system efficiency and reliability. In 2017, he was awarded his PhD in computer science from Danang University, solidifying his expertise in this domain. A prolific researcher, Dr. Nguyen has 69 publications in his name, with his work being widely recognized and cited 274th time. His research contributions in condition monitoring, distributed computing, and software development have significantly impacted both academia and industry. As the director of the Software Development Center at Danang University, Dr. Nguyen leads innovative initiatives that focus on software development, system optimization, and intelligent resource management. His work continued to shape the future of condition monitoring system, ensuring reliability and efficiency in modern computing infrastructures. We are truly privileged to have such a renowned researcher and thought leaders with us today. Without further delay, please join me in welcoming Dr. Ha Ho Kyung Nguyen. Sir, once again, welcome to the session.
Okay. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Okay, you see.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, you see slide I share on a monitor. You see slide.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's visible, sir. It's audible also. You can
Okay.
proceed, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Um. Hi, everyone. Uh, Today I'm very happy when I attend international conference at uh, India. Um, I'm very happy because um, we gather to employ sustainable manufacturing and advanced automation in industry. I think this is a field that is rapidly evolving and shaping the future. My presentation will divide into machine learning, approved for a real-time traffic surveillance using with a model solo version I on a large and dataset. Um, Highlight a key trend, a challenge, and opportunity. Okay, now next slide. My topic about some problem we talk. First, I present introduction. Second, I present system architecture. Trend in big data, IoT, cloud, and AI. After I present case study, the interactive research, deep learning, at some aggregator at former Vietnam. For I recent experimental review and analysis with a model and a dataset at some province at Vietnam. And I present a collection and footer work, and I show you some references. Now I will start slide introduction. As you know, machine learning is one of artificial intelligence that are focused on developing algorithm enabling a computer to enhance the performance on a task through experience. You can see price system analysis data to make a decision or a prediction without explicit programming for a task. Some programming we can use Python and I on some problem we can use JavaScript and PHP, ISP and problem. Uh, Machine learning algorithm can be approached categories in three types. First, you can see supervised learning. Supervised learning, the algorithm is trained on a large data set, which means that the input data is paired with a correct output or target. The algorithm learns to make a prediction or classify new unseen data, finding better in the training with the data set. A second, you can unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning involves training model on unlabeled data. The goal is a discover partner relationship or a chat with the data. Common techniques include clothing and dimensionality reduction, simplifying data where reversing important information. Uh, for reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is a type of machine learning where agent interact with the environment and learn to take action. The maximum community, the agent receive feedback on a form of reward bonus by on its action. If you feedback improve the session mapping over time. You can see um, machine learning is why you infer such as email with recognition, natural language processing, recommendation system, autonomous vehicle, and medical diagnosis. As the technology advance, it play a crucial role across industry, enable machine to process a complex task adapted to new challenges, metadata, prevent a deviation with greater accuracy. Some problem in advancing with a Zalo version I shot at Zalo uh, uh, version 4 and Yellow version 5 has been developed and why you for the test object in a large data set. However, Zalo version can be updated over time and new developed might have accurate. You need some step when it at at a research and a simulation with data set. First, you can data pre-processing. Data pre-processing is a clean and a label in your data set. A second, did the method using a yellow version I figure impression. Of how we can use a model training. Some person with the training it and test model train and model test of our person train 50 I person and a model test about 20 person. We can use model evolution. Some function we can improve accuracy and loss function. After you can we can use detect a software website and Android iOS app in your mobile phone. We can use offset recognition. uh, in footer, I have up detect offset the pinner apple at the farmer agriculture Vietnam. Second, you can see in my data processing feature extraction, we can use a model REST net 50. We can classification and we can use a model zero version I detect offset. The magic evolution, accuracy, and precision and records, and evolution magic MIB and IOU. Next, like the lab data set using and Zalo and the similar offset detect data set processing prepare and reset your lab data set. You can see I have a five data set from Vietnam, the Guatemala, Mango, uh, Binabo, and some data set another. Okay. This include the labo offset in email with the bounding box in possible applying data argument technique to increase diversity of your data set. Okay, next, second tab, data predicting. Please your data set into chain validation and test set to evaluate the model performance and prevent overfitting and assure that data set in your plan in a term or of object classes. Deep learning basic object detect of a few existing array research that improve using advanced algorithm and technique to identify and classify different type of food from email or video. Next slide. Yeah, after we can transfer learning utility transfer learning by initializing the Zolo model with quite a return on a large scale data set such as a couple common offset in a context. Fine tuning this return model on a basis with data set can lead to better performance and faster convergency. Jadi problem data processing, net like I present a backside and hardware. On last data set, you might need to assert your backside to make a more of some hardware capability using graph uh, processing unit, GPU or TPU, can significantly pick up a training. Virtual attraction net deep learning models such as convolution neural network CNN is used to extract a picture from the reprocessed data. The CNN is typically retained on a large dataset such as e-minus to learn a set of generate features that can be applied to wide range of object detection. Object detection, when the feature have been attracted, the system can use different object detection technique identify and locate a food object in an image or video. Popular technique will include a reason of basic CNN, such as factor I CNN, and one touch detector such as the out I use. You only look one. Optimize hyper parameter approximation with blind learning rate actual or both side and a model architecture to find the better configuration your dataset. But processing. Finally, the detect object need to be both a rosette, prefer a resume and a remove and a fat a positive. It can involve a technology such as a non-maximum a supervision with a remove overlapping detection and keep only most confident one. You can see apply in a figure file some tab in a detect object with a model turning pre-nest 50 and a YOLO version I. First, we can use algorithm supervised learning labo in a data set. After I bring data argumentation, I will focus in my in rotation, calling, and lapping. Uh, Evaluation, validation, and testing about version 20 version testing and 50 version training. Optimization with a fin tuning and hyperparameter tuning. Finally, a model deployment. As you know, Vietnam and in the world digital transformation with a file called big data, IoT, cloud, and AI. Big data, IoT, and cloud are digital solutions that enable better analytics and decision making for your business. In this board, we explain the relation between IoT and big data and how big data and cloud data are a related relationship between IoT, big data, and cloud computing. Holistically, using some the key benefit of, of this relationship. Did the a trend divider for next-wide innovation, smart city, and executor and industry founded one. The integration of IoT, big data, and cloud computing is a transforming industry, enabling a market leader to drive innovation and gain a competitive advantage. As a digital connectivity become essential in both a professional and social event environment, the number interconnected device continue to grow rapidly. Digital transformation lever advantage technology to revolution design operation, optimize processing and customer experience, and result overall business model. Organization adopting digital transformation benefit from improved efficiency, agility, and competitiveness in a rapidly evolving digital world. IoT in execution is now as a smart on precision and forming apply IoT technology to optimize farming practice. It's usually a sensor device and data analysis to monitor crop bleed talk and environment condition. The ports efficiency, robustity, and sustainability, ensuring a better result management and improve agricultural outcome through real-time data-driven decision. IoT enable remote form monitor through a sensor, weather station, and disease transfer. Within real-time data storage and management. This is slide I when talk about some problem in liver talk management and group management. IoT sensor can be used to monitor to health and well-being in a litter. For example, a wearable device can track the location, activity, and vital state of an animal. Sensor apply in a field can monitor a soil condition, a temperature, humidity, and other environment factor. This information help a farmer make informed decision about planting, harvesting, and crop maintenance. Supply chain optimization. IoT can track the movement agricultural products from the farm consumer. It enhances transparency, reduce food boil eye, and ensure a product meet the quality standard. Okay, some problem we can use a RON and UIV. UIV character unmanaged I real vice high school with IoT technology can provide email and data collect with you for a common monitoring decisive detection. Okay, so you can some problem IoT and agriculture data analysis. Data collected by an IoT device is processing and analysis using data analysis and a machine learning algorithm. Smart irrigation IoT enable irrigation system can others watering a scheduler based on a real-time water and soil moisture data, optimizing water usage and reducing water what I. This is IoT application in agriculture of some form at Vietnam. We can use run in a former agriculture. Okay, you can listen. I talk about a problem in application machine learning and digital transformation. Now I present a slide category optimal deep learning model for a qualification of a drip test preference food in orchard. Machine learning formula dataset use Zalo versus I. The best learning model Pomeranian food repeat his classification depend on a factor like dataset size, computing result, and application needs. One of the most important factor enjoy a deep learning model architecture of a neural network popular architecture for email classification path include the CNN. In the case of a pomegranate food classification, it might be used considered trend for learning, which involves the text return a neural network and filtering is on a new data set. As you know, this approach can be particularly affecting when I limit training data available at the region network had learning you some features from language such as in my nest. Another consideration is the type of data augmentation technology used to increase the size and diversity of the training dataset. Finally, optimization algorithms used to train the deep learning model is also an important factor. Population optimization algorithm include statistician descent. The choice of algorithm will depend on a specific requirement of application. This is a model CNN. We can see input the email, the how, and collision player a picture, a map, a file, a bowling, and player hidden and fully connected to layer. You can see in my video attention and classification and output. You can see detect offset how and zebra and DOS software uh, robustly distribution. This is model CNN layer one, layer two, and catalyst last cipher in inputs. I can see system architecture with object this detection is one muscle in part in a computer vision. Object detection is considered far more complex than a classification as request more than classifying. Individual popular are require offset in a prison. This is a model class in certification on email when the detect and offset. I can return the model system solo consist three skill component. First, backbone features facilitates a variable level through the accumulation of email with the help of a convolution neural network. A second nest, lioness fetal amalgamated with a variety of a layer and a temporary reduction. His fetal true nest and you redes object robabo ari and corresponding class. You Zolo version I be in a brief in my talk framework device configuration through by more where reveals a Zolo algorithm in darknet you find CFG and key advantage of using ZIML file and over. Did a block applier in a model solo with a bit talk. In method Roboso in some paper published in we can improve a lot of function. It yields a binary cross entropy with a lowest lot arithmetic risk as muted as EU in a solo personalized collect data. The center of offset are solved by risk magic and automatic to detect it. By calculating row and column value, jet offset in the deleted in a solo personalized. Try add a mass offset reparatory and remove is if more than one limit box detect the sum object, the solution try the mod up boy as a limit box, as well as the bounding box for S layer. We we calculate probability in finding different type of offset. This is accusation in our loss function. Loss function found loss function 1, loss function 2, and for loss function 3, where loss function 1, loss 2, loss 3 are confidential loss of function. First, a classification loss function and bounding box re regression loss function respectively the confident loss function is that. This is education loss function quad. Okay, after we can use algorithm method in improve in version 5. Algorithm for 5 step. Step 1, yield the configuration. Step 2, edit the network configuration. Step 2, read the data. Step 4, condition of training. Step 5, testing and evaluating the model. After a final step 5, we can use training, detect error, and accuracy, performance, and continue update after S-log. As you know, in a table, a list of email for different food, we can see first I flip pineapple food email 20,000 email. Semi grip pineapple 20,000 email. Unrip pineapple about 10,000 email. I have a total of 50,000 email in a data set like. But parameter for experimental analysis. It is some email when I fit to equation and classification. Okay, load and accuracy in classification about epoch, training block, validation load, and occurring and some image size in uh, collect dataset. This is a model with dataset of 50,000 image. This is solo input email and a video farmer. When we can use a model of that design when output farmer with a bounding box and our printable with app and a website in Android and iOS. This is some review when I detect object with some model Zolo version files, Zolo version 5 and Zalo version I when I detect object the pinner able at the former Vietnam. Pinner able in my view indication and detect of a rip in after we can performance comparison with some model Zalo version 4, Zalo version 5, and Zalo improve and Zalo version I. This is a model revision with model set next 50 and Zalo version I compare with a root truth labo data and I accuracy precision record and mean hour as precision final performance report when I detect offset. And of my last update in January 2022, the lowest version I had been officially briefly and Zalo version 7 were not an official version from the original you only look one. However, new version might have been introduced with a potential enhancement in the pitch at accuracy and efficiency for object detection. After we can use a data set Mango thing, we use a camera to collect a photo Mango thing rip from OSHA and a variety of a published and available data set. With Mango thing, I have 4,000 Mango thing in my detect offset. After we can uh, data a human for 20,000 email. We do data enrichment in my data set clear and now in my processing products such as a trend for short it band, trend for color, you and the cost of approve EU agreement the data set without overfitting. This is a model after a labo in email with a Mango app farmer. We can use a Robolo and not test tool automation acid data labo. Review return a photo some 400 one six and muted 400 one six relation. The model up you can see with among Mango I give a model of factor I seen an architecture. This is a model factor I seen. You can see a comparison Zalo uh, another factor ICNN. Factor ICNN is an improvement over two claw relative ICNN and a fat ICNN region also a network. Factor ICNN with view a reason also network that can general reason about also that are best to detect model in best for offset. The also technology employ and extend a part of ICNet. Improve a factor ICNet with joy island. The detention between IOI polling and IOI island to calculate the data value for a sampling point, mode of each chat from a export, narrow the IC interacted from who email and are found smaller than just a part of operation email to side the code. Input a bit of Mangoting email classifier a farmer. We can use a model factor as in a training model. The Y value will be returned by start outcome. The second tab contracting classifier RIP or on-RIP Mangoting might distinguish at this tab. This is a magic when improve faster icing and withdraw island. The location of polling like represented by a total score of 4 points. The end output has 522 layers. BQ received when our embarrassment situation consider problem of a data loss is fairly minor and technically often achieve the goal of validation of finding. Compared to a fact ICNN, uh, I think 5%. With a Zalo version I version. The recognition accuracy improve algorithm even better than Zalo version I on test model. Advancing mental with a resume Mongo thing. Collusion, some problem we talk about the class severe can as a farmer classify in a photo of a rip mango thing. The 30 reason new technique reduce data loss during a fit to synthesis rosette. Appear improving the IOI bowling layer with at IOI link layer. In terms of a real-time capability, it can be reset a meaning robust array of a two-test fast CNN model slow down recognition reset. This is some reference with my paper published in a journal and a conference when I interacted the deep learning at a former educator. You can see paper improve solo offset detection algorithm to detect a deep binary profile published 2022 in a journal in that week one. Okay, thank you so much. Anyone listen talk about problem at international conference India? Okay, okay. I introduce. I'm Doctor full name Nguyen Ha Huy Cuong. I'm interested research cloud computing and I focus deep learning architecture. I'm director at Center Software Development Center belong the University of Danang, Vietnam. Thank you so much. Thank you. Any question for me?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you, sir, for this informative session.
Hmm.
And now the participants can interact with the speaker.
Any question for me?
कुछ तो बोलते हैं हाँ नगेन हाय हुई ए नालाय का कसला मारतोस
Okay. Okay, you have a question. Okay, doctor. Uh, I have a question. Suriza Sahud, any question for me? Clear. Hello. Okay. Um, any question? Suriza Sahud. Okay. This is inform me. Email.
Thank you, sir. I
Okay.
think no more questions.
Yeah.
Uh, Sir, if possible, you can share this PPT. The participants are asking actually. So we'll have a quiz test at the end of this FTP. So participants are requesting for this PPT, sir. So if possible, you can share this PPT to me
Yeah.
so that I can share this in the group.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
You
Thank
know,
you for the nice presentation, and it's a very informative one.
yes, this is email for me. Email. Okay, you can see a message for me.
Yes,
With a question, I can answer. I had some data set email. You can see a slide I share. You can see. You can see a slide I share. Okay.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. We
Yes,
can.
sir. Okay, this is a lean data set. My team data collect from at Vietnam. You can see data set email Pinner Apple and Mango Ting and Waterm Mango. This is some data set in my luggage with pineapple 50 in mind. you can see after when I come from and a photo at some image at the former when I in this bounding box at the data image. After we can use a model. We can use a model. You can you see in a slide I two model. First, we can Zalo. After we can use a FAB ICNN. Uh, when I with it may present form for me, I use percentage about I person and person training. Sorry, person training about IT person. Percentage about 20%. Okay, we can use a model and test and training. This is a data set you can use. I can share for you. No problem. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. This is a lean data set from in my Mongo thing and Pinner Apple. Okay. And a question another.
The participant can interact if they want. Okay, I think there is no question. So thank you so much, sir,
Yeah.
for accepting our
Yeah.
invitation. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay. Okay. If you have a question and one data set, I can send email for me. Okay.
Yes.
This is ID email. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is
Yes.
email. Yeah. Okay. Send email for me. I send a link data set. No problem. Thank you so much.
Yes, participant can use this email ID of sir
Yeah.
if they need. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.